Let's study the topic multiplication of a vector by a real number. Means a vector into real number. It can be written as vector into real number is what? A real number means a scalar. A vector into a scalar. Because real numbers don't show any direction. They have only magnitude. So it can be written as vector into a scalar. And a vector is when multiplied by a scalar, the result becomes a new vector. It is a vector quantity. Vector into a scalar equals to vector. You can remember this. You can write it here. Vector into a scalar equals to vector. Okay. This means vector into a scalar equals to vector. So a vector when multiplied by a scalar, we get a new vector, and the new vector has some magnitude. Okay, what it will have? It has magnitude. Since it is a vector, so it will have magnitude and direction. Two things it will have, and its magnitude will be equal to what? It will be magnitude equals to previous vector's magnitude into that real number. Okay, real number times, suppose the real number is, let here you can write, let real number multiplied or the scalar multiplied be k. We have imagined a scalar k, so the new vector will have magnitude k into the previous vector magnitude. Okay, k times it increases. Okay, and its direction will what? Its direction will depend upon the sign of k. Okay, direction will depend upon the sign of k. What does it mean? It means if k is positive, then the vector will be along the previous given vector. Okay, the new vector will be along this vector. The direction will be same. Okay, if k is positive, direction will be same, that is you can write along the given vector. And if k is negative, then what will happen? If k is negative, then direction will reverse. Direction will be, okay, so we saw the direction. The new vector will have direction which will depend upon the sign of k. Suppose, let us see, for example, if there is a vector a, let it be a vector a is 2i plus 3j. This is a vector. Let its presentation is somewhat like this. Supposed this is vector a, let it be this. Okay, then if we multiply a scalar, suppose 5 into vector a, then the new vector will be 5 into 2i plus 3j. Simply distributive law is followed. According to distributive law, it will be 10i plus 15j. Okay, this will be the new vector. Okay, and if we multiplied this vector by this, 5 is positive, so it's the new vector will have direction along the previous vector a, this one. The direction of this and this will be same. And if it would be have been multiplied by minus 5, then it will be minus 5 and it will have a minus sign here. Then the direction of the new vector will be, this is the direction of vector a, then this will be the direction of the new vector. Okay, and its magnitude will be this much time, just multiplied by how many times the real number is. Okay, so this is the description of new vector found. And now let us take one more example of vector and a scalar. Suppose, what is a vector? Let's take velocity. If we take velocity, we know it is a vector quantity, and any scalar, that is time, is a scalar. This is a vector, velocity is a vector, and time is a scalar. What comes to be the result? What comes to be the velocity is a vector, time is a scalar. The result comes to be what? Displacement. Velocity into time equals to displacement is what? This is a vector quantity, we know that. This is also one example of this multiplication of a vector by a scalar or real number. Okay, now let's see the most important part. Okay, application. It is one of the most important part of this topic. What is the application of a scalar multiplication? Multiplying a vector by a scalar is called a scalar multiplication, not a scalar product. That is a different thing. Here it is a scalar multiplication. Okay, what is its application is simply to change the direction of given vector. If this is a vector, its direction is in this way. If it is vector a, let it be, and we want a new vector in any of our purpose which should be in a direction opposite to this vector. Okay, then what we will do? We will multiply this a vector with minus 1. the vector direction will be this way. If minus 1 is multiplied into this vector, this will come to be minus vector A, and its direction will be just reversed, opposite. Okay, thank you.